my planner friends. Today's video is going to be a spring kit lineup video. My last one I did was for like Christmas and winter, and then I put that up in February. So I'm hoping that I get this one up rather soon, but this is my sticker storage for my spring kits. I'm just going to go through all of the spring themed kind of kits that I have, and then I will sort them and kind of plan out what I'm going to use for the weeks as we go into spring, and then I will show you which kits I'm going to use, I guess. So yeah, this is my storage for spring, like I said, from Cricut Paper Co. And I have 5 of these, I think. I have spring, like spring, summer, winter, fall, and then, or I guess spring, summer, fall, winter, and then like an anytime kit one. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly with the anytime kits because I'm not going to go through, well, I might go through them for a video, but like I don't know where I'm going to fit them in kind of to like use them, you know what I mean? So let's go through the kits that I have. So I'm just going to take these out and then like set them over to the side because I'm going to reorganize them. So I have, someone had commented, and I forget who they were, to like lay these out, but I feel like maybe I won't hold them up, but I'm not going to like lay them out because then that's unfortunately going to take too long for me to like pick them back up. So maybe I'll just hold them like right here and then show you guys like what's in the pages if I can. If they're in like a cello, I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to take that apart. But this is something, this is Meadow from Planner Pixie Co. And this is like super old. This is like, I think this is an old format one, first of all. And then this is like maybe 2021 or something I got this. But this is like old artwork or whatever, but it's a really cute one that would be good for spring. So there's that one. And then I have another Planner Pixie Co, which I probably will use for Mother's Day because it's called Her Day and it's like a Mother's Day kit. Maybe I should put this kind of out of the way to get the glare off a little bit. I just feel like it's better up here. You can see, I don't know, the kit. So yeah, it's called Her Day. And similar format, I'm pretty sure, again, that I got this in maybe 2021 and I didn't use it. But yeah, I'm not going to flip through the whole thing because it's similar format. So there's that one. Another Planner Pixie Co one. This one is Breakfast Dreams. Again, old artwork. I just realized that's in the shape of like a flower. Old artwork, but it's breakfasty and super cute. So kind of retro-y. So yeah, there's that. Again, I think this is super old, maybe 2021. I don't even remember. Maybe early 2022. I don't even remember. But there's that one. This is from Scribble Prints Co. This was in a group of kits, I think, where there was like 4 of them, I think, that came out. So this one is the Candyland one, and then it has the Lavender Hollow candy overlays. So I don't know. I might use this one. I don't know. I don't know when I would use it. But let's see. We're doing February, March, April. No, we're doing March, April, May. March, April, May is what we're doing for spring. Yeah, March, April, May. So there's that one. Here's another Planner Pixie Co kit. This is one I'm probably going to use for Easter because I don't have any Easter kits. So this is another old one. So I'll probably use it for, do you remember there was a really, it's called Cottontails. There was a really popular artwork that I think a lot of people called it like Hippity Hoppity or something. Really popular artwork a couple years ago. That was like my favorite. I can't get these apart. One of my favorite kits for Easter, and I don't think I used it. I think I like wasn't planning or something. I don't know. That's a pretty cool doodad there. So yeah, so there's that. Probably use that one for Easter. Here's another one from that bundle from Scribleprints Co. I guess I took this out of the cellophane. Oh, probably because I had this in my March lineup from last year, and then I didn't plan while I was pregnant. So yeah, this was in my March lineup. I think it was in my March lineup. This is my spring lineup last year. I think I want to use it. But yeah, it is just a really cute spring one. Again, I think this is like an older format because it's from last year or the year before. I don't even know, but whoa. But yeah. And then it has this, I don't know if I'll use this rose gold overlays with it, but I might. So I'm going to use that probably. And then this one is called Goddess of Spring. And I don't know, I think this was a, what am I talking about? A subscription for JessicaHearts. Like I think I got this in a subscription. So maybe we'll use this one. It's got the pomegranates and stuff, so maybe. Boop, boop, boop. And then it has foil with it that I think is, yeah, rose gold. So maybe that one. Another, I think I'm going to use a lot of Shop JessicaHearts actually kits. So here's another one. I'm not going to take it out because it's in a cello bag, but it's called Enchanted Mini. And I wonder if this was a, what am I trying to say? A subscription as well, but pretty cute there. Another JessicaHearts, Lavender Farm. This I don't think was a subscription, but Lavender Farm. Another one, Countryside, and it has some foil with it. I don't know why I can't think of words today. This one is really cute, but yeah. And then another one, Spring Blossoms. It's like a cherry blossoms kind of kit, and it has foil as well. And then this, I really like this one. I think I got this, yeah, I think I got this in a Misfit thing, but it is Blair. It's called Blair. It's also in cello. I'm not going to take it out. It's like an art exhibit, art gallery kit. So there's that one. And then we have a spring cleaning kit from Scribble Co. No, from Planner Pixie Co. That was like Cinderella themed. This one is way old. This one might be 2020 or 2019. I dropped it. Or 2019. I don't remember. This one's way old. It's called Cindy. But yeah, this is way, way, way old. Way old. And then Planning Choco. This is also super old, but this one's really cute. This might be a good like March one, maybe April, maybe March, maybe like first week of March. I'm not going to flip through this because all these pages are sticking together for some reason. I'll try and flip through it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Planning Choco. They haven't added much to their printable shop, but I do know they have like a physical sticker shop that I think they're still adding stuff to. But yeah, so there's that one. This is from White Rose Printables, I think. But yeah, it's just kind of like a springy, purpley. I like the purple vibe to this one. Again, this one's super old. I don't even know if this is 2019. Probably. That I printed this. I don't even remember. But yeah. There's lots more pages. Like 3 more pages. But I can't get things separated. So there's that one. This is Planner Pixie Co as well. This is a newer one. It's called Serial Chiller. And it's like a pastel true crime type of, I don't know, kit. I think it's really cute. I think all these are cute, so I don't know why I'm saying I think it's really cute. Like I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't think it was cute, you know what I mean? So maybe that was a Cyber Monday thing from Scribble Co. That group of kits. I don't remember. But yeah, so I do really think I want to use this one. So there's that one. And then I have some that don't even fit in here because I have so many. This I also got, I think, in a Misfit thing or something. It's SPC Cafe from Scribble Co. Another Planner Pixie Co. Cloud Busting. Again, really, really old. I think I really want to use this one because I like the astrology vibes. So yeah, I like the astrology vibes of these, so I might use this one. And then this one is from a shop that closed, and I was just like, oh, let me get some stuff. They closed. It's called Ashley and Laz, and it was closed. And I was really upset when I got this because, I mean, they were closing, like, what am I going to do? But this has like a misprint kind of thing on it. But in the way that I'm planning now, I think it's going to be okay. Like, I don't think it's going to bother me at all. And this is kind of retro before it was real popular to do. So, I don't know. There's no checklists. I don't know. So we'll have to see how I'm going to use this. But yeah, so you can't even get these anymore. So I don't even know. Another Planner Pixie Co. This is, Forever Young. It was like their 80s inspired one, which I just used the Cyber Monday, 80s inspired one from Scribble Prints Co. I used my leftovers recently for Valentine's Day week. But there's this one. This one, yeah, White Rose Printables. This is also old art. This was like real popular art to use. I don't know what this was called, but it's kind of like Sailor Moon-y inspired. And my printer was like having an issue. It's got lines across it, but it'll be whatever it is. So, but yeah, it's like a cafe, cyber cafe thing or something. I don't even remember, but real cute, real cute, real cute. I like that one. I like that one. And then this is from Pink Planner Shop. This isn't necessarily spring, but I threw it in here because of the colors. It's like a male inspired one. This is also old art. This might be 2019. And I couldn't tell you last time I used a kit from this shop, honestly. But yeah, it's just like that male... It's got happy faces, that like male artwork that was popular. And then another one from Caress Press. Actually, I might open this because she always puts the like important sheet at the back, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Let's look through this. So this is the back. Let's go through this way. I really like this one. It's like a... this was April. Oh, April Mystery. Harajuku Girl. So yeah, it's like that kind of vibe. That's pretty cute. Oh, that's a bright greeny yellow color. Oh man, look at that color. Whoa, so bright. My eyeballs are gonna pop out. Yeah, I think I really want to use this one too. Why can't I get this? And this is the washi and then like the deco. So I'm going to put this like this. Yeah, I'll put this like this. And then this one is Birthday Babe. I was thinking maybe it could be used for Mother's Day. Yeah, I was thinking maybe it could be used for Mother's Day depending on how I feel about it. But there's that one. I think I also might have got this one in some sort of de-stash box thing or a... Misfit something or other. I'm sorry, this is, I don't know what I'm talking about, and this video is probably boring. This is Spring Picnic from Shop JessicaHearts. I think this one was a subscription. Super cute. I love this cake. This was a April 2022 mystery from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And that's really cute. It's got some fairy vibes to it. I think I got this in a misfit thing from Scribleprints Co. It's called Beach Day, but it has pretty springy vibes. Oops, I'm having a frame. Pretty springy vibes to it. This one is Belle, and this was also in a misfit thing. Has some spring vibes to it. This was December 2022 mystery. Again, some spring vibes from Scribleprints Co. Another de-stash kit that is Demo Day. I thought it would be like a good, I don't know, spring cleaning type of kit. And it is a mini kit, I think. This was January Mystery 2023. I actually canceled all of my mystery subscriptions except for Shop JessicaHearts because I really love photo kits. So this one, I don't know. I don't like the contrasting colors. I don't really like the red and the green. It's just so bright and bold. But, and then it's I don't know. This is like, oh, this is strawberries. This is with Caress Press. I don't know. I like it, but I also don't like it. And then this is one kit that I'm excited to use. This is from my shop, or not my shop, my Patreon, where I have a photo kit. You get a photo kit printable every month. And I love the like patterns and just the springy light vibes, I guess, of this kit. Like these full boxes just make me want to die. I love them so much. They are so beautiful. And then a November Mystery 2022. This was like the home edit type of spring cleaning type of kit. Again, so many spring cleaning kits. This one I really want to use, Cottagecore from last year from Planner Pixie Co. This artwork was really popular. And then this one I just got is my subscription from Shop JessicaHearts for, I guess it was January. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But yeah, I love this. So I love this one. So I'm going to go through and decide on what kits I'm going to use for what days. And then I will be back and I will show you the kits I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to try to make this so you can actually see the sticker kits, because sometimes when I do this, you can't see them. So this is for the 27th of February. Let's see if I can zoom in here. The 27th of February to the 5th of March. So the beginning of March. Then 3/6 through 3/12. So that's what, the second week of March. Third week of March is going to be my kit from Patreon. And then, I don't know why this one's an upside down, but this is going to be the week of Ostara, so that's, I'm going to use the Goddess of Spring one by JessicaHearts. Then I'll use this Cottagecore one from Scribble Co. to end March, and then Easter, I believe Easter is the 9th, I'll use this Cottontails kit from, Cottontails kit from Planner Pixie Co. See, I did it again where I didn't even show you what I was using. So, and then, Meadow from Planner Pixie Co. Then we'll do the crime one. What is this called? Cereal Chiller. I'm really excited. I love this little flat lay guy here. And then another Planner Pixie Co. Going towards the end of April. Beginning of May, go ahead and use that Harajuku one from Caress Press. And then for Mother's Day, this one from Planner Pixie Co. And then this one from Ashley Ann Laz, that is not around anymore. And then to round out the rest of May, we'll do the Farmer's Market from Shop JessicaHearts. And then I have this one in here because this is going into June. Whoops, this is going into June, and this is like a beach day kit. So I thought that would be cute to use, but as always, things are subject to change. So we'll see how I feel about that when it comes to that. So that is my kit lineup. See if I can zoom out. My kit lineup in my Cricut Paper Co. little, is it Cricut Paper Co? Yeah, Cricut Paper Co. little storage here. And I have all my other ones that I'm going to shove back in the back. And maybe I'll pull from them. Maybe I won't. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it kind of made no sense in the beginning. So I hope you liked it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love for you to stick around and see the other videos I have on my channel. And so yeah, I will talk to you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.